And now let's talk about a concept of polymorphism that is known as the overloading. Widely used, we are using it since the beginning when we use the method name println. So what is the overloading? Overloading means in the polymorphism, okay, that is it may be a function or it may be a constructor. We know the constructor will have the same name, okay, anything with the same name but differ in parameters. So let's take an example of constructor. In a person class we have a constructor named person, and here this is the default constructor, because it's not default constructor, means constructor with a no parameters, and it is returning nothing, okay, but with a access specifier. Now you can create one more person that can carry some parameters. So what we have done, we have a person with a string with a name, okay, let's say the only with the name. So this is also a constructor, but here what we are doing, we are creating a constructor with one parameters, that is the string. You can create some more constructor in the same class. Let's say person, here I will use a string, I will use a name, and I'm only going to use the occupation as the default values. It is not necessary that you only need to pass the instance variable. You can pass any parameters, means for these two are for instance variable, but you can pass any parameter. So these three are the example of the overloaded constructor. These all three are different parameter. You cannot take two constructor in the same class with the same type of parameter. Here you can see this one contains the two parameters. One is string and second one is also string. This only contains one parameter, yeah, so this can be workable because this one is 2 and this one is 1. This carry no parameters, so this will also fine. So you cannot create something like this person, let's say string s like this. So this won't work. Why? Because this constructor, it carry one string. This constructor is also carries a one string. Parameter name doesn't matter, it may be anything. So this will confuse the compiler. Now in the next lesson we will talk how to create the overloaded constructors.